Here we are about 3 miles north of San Simeon at the Elephant Seal Vista Point. And boy, these guys, they're quite the funny characters, that's for sure. So sit back and enjoy the show, and I'll see you in a little bit. Well, hello everybody. Wow, those elephant seals, aren't they quite a hoot? I got so excited that I decided I wanted to go in the water too. Maybe pretend I'm a seal for a minute. I definitely felt like an elephant seal trying to put this on. First time ever in a wetsuit. Lived in California 9 years. I'm not gonna go out very far, but let's just see how this goes. See you soon. Oh, better take my hat off.